What's up guys, welcome back to Tech 5. To get a list of the best budget gadgets technology has to offer, make sure to like and subscribe.
Number 5. Surface Laptop Go. Considering the success of the Surface Go line, it was perhaps inevitable that Microsoft would release a cheaper clamshell device at some point. The Surface Laptop Go is exactly that, although it doesn't tick all the boxes. The big factor is price, with the poor entry-level specs meaning you'll need to pay more for a model that's worth buying. Any more than 128 gigabytes of storage will set you back, putting it well out of budget laptop territory. What's more, the wealth of great options at this price point means the Laptop Go loses its big selling point of affordability. Battery life is also a concern, with the device struggling to make it through a full working day during testing. Nonetheless, there's still plenty to like about the Surface Laptop Go. Performance on the top spec model we tested is solid, while including a great keyboard and display in such a slimline body is really impressive. The Dolby audio speakers and dual studio mics also make for a great audio experience. There are plenty of laptops that also excel in these areas though, many of which are more affordable. There's definitely a market for a device like the Surface Laptop Go, but the strength of the competition makes this one harder to recommend. Number 4. Surface Book 3. Despite sporting only minimal upgrades over its predecessor, the Book 3 is a solid addition to the Microsoft Surface family. A gorgeous display, excellent keyboard and solid port selection provide the foundation for a great laptop experience. However, performance is seriously mixed. The Book 3 copes just fine in most situations but is a serious letdown when it comes to gaming performance. That wouldn't usually be much of an issue, but Microsoft has specifically advertised its suitability for gaming. That's far from the only drawback, with chunky bezels, mediocre speakers and lack of fingerprint scanner among the most prominent. At this price point, these shortcomings are hard to look beyond. Number 3. Surface Go 2. The Surface Go 2 is one of the most fun devices Microsoft currently makes. But Windows 10 in this form factor creates a number of trade-offs. At an affordable price it's by far the cheapest Surface PC, but at this price performance is severely compromised. As such we'll recommend stepping up to a Core M3 model, although you'll pay a little more for the privilege. If that's a step too far, you'll probably be balancing battery life with performance. Microsoft's claimed 10 hours of typical usage is significantly reduced when handling complex tasks or multiple apps simultaneously. The Go 2 is incredibly thin and light for a Windows 10 PC, but even the jump to a 10.5 inches screen will take some getting used to if you're accustomed to a 13 inches or even 15 inches laptop. The unchanged accessories transform the device into a polished desktop experience, but for a type cover and mouse they represent a significant additional investment. Using the Go 2 as a standalone tablet does show some of the limitations of Windows 10. There are plenty of enjoyable and even exciting aspects of the Surface Go 2, but anyone considering buying must contend with these compromises. Number 2. Surface Laptop 4. The Surface Laptop 4 is a cautious upgrade over its predecessor, but there are still a few reasons to buy it over the Surface Laptop 3. The big one here is the processor. You can now choose between Intel's latest and powerful AMD Ryzen chips across both 13.5 inches and 15 inches models. These chips deliver a significant improvement to power efficiency, and it shows. Battery life is very solid, even when playing 4K videos. Many of the reasons why the Laptop 3 was so good still apply. The displays offer a compelling viewing experience, continuing to support touch and pen input. There's also a solid keyboard and lightweight, premium design. However, it's not perfect. This tried and tested design could do with a refresh, while noisy fans regularly kick in during everyday use. It can also get expensive, particularly if you need. Despite these shortcomings, the Surface Laptop 4 still offers the best traditional laptop experience if you're set on Microsoft hardware. On our number 1. Surface Pro 7 Plus. Despite being aimed at business and education customers, the Surface Pro 7 Plus is an excellent option for consumers. The upgraded 11th Gen Intel processors help deliver great all-round performance, while the addition of a removable SSD and LTE connectivity will genuinely for a lot of people. Battery life has also had a big upgrade. It's now more than capable of lasting a full 8-hour workday. However, it's not perfect. The 5-year-old design is looking very dated, while you'll pay more if you want to bundle any configuration with a type cover. The Surface Pro 7 Plus's minor upgrades make it the best Microsoft tablet to date. But the changes aren't enough to justify the price rises, and with the keyboard, it becomes very expensive unless you opt for an entry-level model. The Pro 7 Plus has been the best all-round Microsoft PC for most people for a while, but the Pro 8 new design means that's likely to change.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more videos. Bye for now.